There's a Water Rock Knob trailhead headed up there. That's where we're gonna be going in a little bit, but let's check out the sunrise right quick first. This place gets pretty busy. Come on, Samwise. You ready to go, Samwise? Are they even open? We're about to get clickbaited. Yeah. Headed up to Water Rock Knob, and we're gonna go past it to Browning. What the hell? Water Rock Knob. That's where we're headed to. We're gonna pass it, and we're going to Browning Rock, something like that. Browning or Browning Rock,
later,
Rock Knob or something. And then we're gonna check out that plane crash. Ooh, right at the start. So just for references, we started hiking at about 7 in the morning. We'll see what time it is we get back. Good news is there's nobody here but one other couple that we've seen, because there ain't but 3 cars in the parking lot. One car, most people still in there. The other car is that couple that we've seen. They head up the trail already. Mountains to Sea Trail heads that way. Alright. That's the trail that if you want to hike for the rest of your life, you go down that way. Because you'll be hiking for the rest of your life. Because it just goes from mountains to the sea. So the first couple minutes of this hike so far has been pretty brutal, but it's paved. But it's a pretty decent incline. No joke. No joke. Right, Samwise?
That's right. No jokes.
found it. Ladies and gentlemen. So a little bit of a background on this. What you're about to see here is we are at a Browning Knob. Let me get this right. I don't want to say the wrong names. All right, careful, okay? Browning Knob. Correct. Browning Knob. And here lies the ruins of an old plane crash. It's a 414 Cessna airplane. Yeah, you see the name of it right there.
Come down this way. It's easier.
So the story goes, 1983, an old plane, a Cessna 414. Jenny, I think you should have followed me. You going over there. Just be careful. A Cessna 414 airplane coming from Chicago, I believe, headed to somewhere here in North Carolina. Under bad weather conditions, the plane had crashed, killing everybody on board.
For real?
Not sure how many people were on board, but the engines have been salvaged, but everything else still lays here.
Shoot it?
No, I think it was just bad weather and
No, I'm not talking about somebody shot it down. I'm talking about as it.
oh, you're talking about like as it's sitting here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a shitty thing to do.
More like that's how they got the passengers out. Man, look all debris down there.
Wow.
So sad. This is like how Kobe and they crashed. Except reverse.
The unfortunate thing too is, you know, they said that if the plane had been flying 150 feet higher,
It would have made it over.
would have made it.
Damn. Yeah.
would have made it.
That's true.
So, if you want to do the airplane crash site hike, this is where you're going to come from, and this is where you're going to Browning Knob. This little split, you want to go down, and as soon as you get out of these grass, make a right. Don't go down. If you've gone over 100 feet and you still haven't seen it, you've gone the wrong way. Let's go, Jenny.
There's a little dirt path. Wow.
Can't see.
Still cloudy. We've been stuck in the woods so long, done forgot about the fogginess. Wow.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Nice. So this is Browning Knob. See over there? I think that's the yellow face or something like that, right?
I was
Remember?
gonna say that, yeah.
You can hike to it too. There's a trail that goes there. It's a nice hike, but not many good views because too much
Hidden.
Too much of
In
your
the
view is
woods.
blocked because you're in the trees, behind the trees, in the woods. So we left at 7 o'clock. It's about 9 o'clock right now. So 2 hour hike.
We stopped and
Took our time.
yeah, explored the.
We did get lost a little bit right down here. Went down a little bit.
Crash site.
I went down a little bit and it just didn't look right. So we got back up to where that little thing that looks like a trail. And sure enough, we found the crash site just right there. But to sum up this trail, it's a good trail. If you want to have
If you're a hiker and you like to hike, you'll like this trail.
if you like that story with the crashed airplane, that's what made it interesting for me. Honestly, if it weren't for that, I probably wouldn't even come up here. And it's kind of hard. And I wouldn't say it's hard, it's technical because
Don't
there's a lot of
come on a rainy day either, or the day after.
there's a lot of roots. And you want to be careful because those things, you can slip easily on the roots, especially if it's all wet. You just went down that way.
Yeah, that way seems scary.
It's muddy, and these roots here is not that bad. The roots here, right here, where we're at, it's not that bad. Certain parts though, it's crazy. You really gotta just take one baby step at a time. Making our way back. We still got a good bit left. We pretty much just left Browning Knob. Still making our way through this pretty treacherous terrain, as you can see here.